Morning. I got my Truly. You guys, if you guys haven't tried these yet, I love these Trulies. They're my favorite, and I feel like we live in a time where these seltzer drinks are like battling each other. So in the comments down below, let me know what you guys are favorite ones, because I love the Trulies. So, okay, we're gonna talk. We're gonna have this conversation. You guys probably think I'm gonna talk about what you guys think I'm gonna talk about, because you guys listen, the YouTube world, the beauty world, the whole world is going nuts right now. We have so many things going on. Now, we're gonna have this conversation. You guys know what this is going to be really about. It's gonna be about canceling cancel culture. I've been wanting to do this for a long time. Now, this wasn't just because anything that happened recently or anything like that. I've always wanted to talk about this because I actually never understood it. I never got what cancel culture was. You know, like I said, I'm 31 years old. I've been through it. I've been through media and drama and things that happen without social media. So you babies out there that are obsessed with cancel culture, I want you guys just to sit down and just open up to me and hear me out and just really try to understand both sides of the world. Now, you guys know on my lives on my Instagram, I always try to open up your guys' mind to really understand both sides of a story or both sides of situations. Now, I always say I can always defend a murderer. I really can, and I should have been a lawyer, but I can't go to school. I'm not trying to do all the school. But this is about cancel culture, and I want to tell you guys that as much as I know about cancel culture, I want to cancel culture. I think it's a very toxic culture to be a part of. I think anyone that says the word canceling someone or cancel something is very toxic. And I understand that you want to eliminate someone because you don't really, I guess, believe what they believe or what they said or what they did or what they have done or what someone is going to do or someone that is doing certain things. I get that you run to the word cancel so fast because it's the only word that we kind of know now. Let's talk about the beauty world. Okay, let's go right to the beauty world because I am a beauty channel. I love beauty. I've been around makeup since I was 16 years old. Makeup has changed my life, changed my career, made my career, and I have a lot of stuff coming up. You guys follow my channel for inspiration, to get in drag, to celebrate drag culture, to celebrate beauty culture. I am not a drama channel. I am not a channel where I expose people because, girl, I don't have receipts enough to even expose people because you know why? I just don't care. I don't care enough to really care about what someone's doing, you know? And I think that what makes me a really strong person, that I have so much going on in my life, and I really want you guys to have a lot going on in your lives so you guys don't really care. You know what I mean? I think this year, you guys, we can do it. There's so much in the beauty world that's going on that I'm not aware of. I don't think myself as a million follower beauty guru, and I don't think myself as a guru where I need to send out products and things like that to tell you guys I'm a guru. I think I'm a makeup guru because I just love makeup, and I think you guys are as well. I think anyone that loves makeup is a makeup beauty influencer. You're influencing as soon as you walk out the door. You're influencing when you go to work, when you have a full-on makeup. You're influencing someone, and I truly think you guys are my influencers as well. And I want you guys to know I am so sick of all the drama. I don't really care enough because you know why? It's not my business. It's not my business. It's not my business to worry about it. It has nothing to do with the Kimora Blac name. It has nothing to do with me. And I think that's a kind of a mindset you guys should put yourselves in, is because it has nothing to do with you. Yes, we get very emotional. We get very like, I want to like intrigue it and I want to like comment on it because we can't help. But it's also like, is it necessary? Is it necessary to pull the drama into your life to have it affect your life? You know, and I want to say this, instead of canceling someone, because you really impossibly can't cancel someone, I want you guys to know that very clearly. I have to agree with my friend Rich Lux. I do follow his channel. I do support his channel because I do like to kind of stay updated with certain things, but not really necessarily with everything. But I always say you can't really cancel someone. That person can only cancel themselves by just eliminating what they are doing and just kind of disappearing off the face of earth, if that's what really cancel means. I think canceling someone, and when you're saying someone's canceled, it's almost like a bully effect. It's almost a point where you're trying to tell someone to kill yourself, to stop what you're doing, to stop living, And it's also a word that can really hurt someone. Like, do you guys really think you guys want to sit there and hurt someone by saying that? You know, I think it's important that you guys can do what you guys can to really educate someone and to really show them that this is wrong, this is right, and this is what it is. We all have a past. Myself, everyone has a past. My mom has a past. You know what I mean? Like, everyone has a past. So if you're really truly going to sit there and think that you know everything about everyone, that's a lot of people. Like that, I don't know everyone and everyone's past. It's very hard to know. And I get that you guys want to cancel someone as soon as you know something. But I feel like almost like that's not fair. You know, what happened to growing? What happened to knowing? What happened to more than one chance? Where is that rule of life where one person gets one chance? How many chances have you guys gotten in life? I've gotten many chances. Girl, I've gotten many chances, and I've been very, very grateful and thankful for these chances. And I want you guys to know to move forward and to have a better life and at a mental state and to wake up happy every day, especially as a beauty lover, a makeup lover. We want to wake up and not care about the drama. And the only way to eliminate that is to forgive and to move on and just forget the past. I've done that with a lot of my friends where I forget the past and we have a clean slate, and it's been great. It's been amazing. I've had a lot of toxic people in my life where I forgave everything that they have ever said about me and everything that they have mentioned about me. And I saw the good side of people that I want to move on and I want to continue this relationship with you because there's so many positive things out of you. And forgiveness is amazing, you guys. Like, you really have to try it. But also, I educated them, and what happened? We became good people and good friends, and collectively, we've been just having such a good time together. I'm not going to comment on anything that you guys want me to comment on. You guys know by listening to this video, it probably isn't about beauty. It's probably about life. It's probably about you and a friend that you guys had bad history with. Go out there and just forgive them and have a great time. We have to be better. I want to say the word educating, but that also, it's a very hard thing to do because you might not be educated enough to know to educate someone like myself. I can't sit here and tell you how to do certain things because as a person, as a human, I'm still learning every single day as I go. So I can't really, like, I'm gonna educate you, you know, like it's hard. But I want you guys to remember, if this happened to you, what would you do, you know? If someone went to you and said, you're canceled, you're disgusting, you're horrible, you should die, go kill yourself, you're disgusting, you're terrible, you're filthy, why are you alive? What would you feel as a person? It's just really not a great thing to hear. You know, I'm a part of the drag race community. I'm a big, big part of the drag race community, and I love my drag race community. I love anyone that supports it. I'm also a part of the beauty community, but I'm also human as well. The thing about that is that in different communities, you learn different things in different ways, and there's certain things you can't say because some people take it a certain way. You know, there's also people that want to be like, you know what? You're new to the community. At the end of the day, I'm a part of the community, and I'm learning, and I want to know. And I want you guys to take this now. 2020 is a year of awakening. It's a year that you guys need. And if you guys are those people right now that are going around on comments and writing things and expressing your voice and writing the most malicious things ever, either towards drag race queens, beauty gurus, beauty influencers, from Nikita Dragon to Jeffree Star to Patrick Star to James Charles to TATTI Westbrook to Kimora Blac to anyone that is an upcoming beauty guru, or to Gia Gunn, to any of these drag race queens that are out there putting themselves on platforms to inspire you in their own specific ways. And you're one of those people that are just hopping around writing stupid comments. I feel really bad for you, but I still have hope for you, and I still know that you have a lot of learning to do, and you will get there. I've been 21, I've been 16 years old before, and I've been there, and I've expressed it my ways to many different ways. And things that I've said, I regretted. But I want you guys to know, on my channel, this is the safe place for you guys to come to learn how to do makeup, to transform, to really just enjoy makeup. And it also enjoys me. You know, I have a good time doing it, and that's why my channel exists. So I want you guys now to just take this, learn from it, take it how you guys want it. You know, down in the comments below, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get a lot of hate comment. I'm used to it, but you know what? I put myself on that platform for a reason, and I'm able to take it and learn from it. I accept all types of comments. I accept all types of vents, and I accept it. I accept it. I don't block it because, you know, I know how to handle it, and I want you guys to go out there in the real world, handle your shit. If anyone is negative, try to kind of understand why they are that way. You never know who you meet, and you never know how you can change someone. I want you guys to know when someone says, I'm sorry, and I get that. If someone says, I'm sorry, 500 times, you never know that one sorry 501 is the one thing that they needed to change, and you never know. You just don't know. Also, you guys, put yourself in people's shoes. You know what I mean? Like, it might be hard, it might be weird, but just put yourself in their shoes. You wouldn't really want to be on the other side of the glass, someone pointing a finger at you and saying, you need to die. You're disgusting. It sucks. It's really not a good feeling. And I know a lot of people go out with it and feel it, especially in the social media world. And here's the thing, the great part about this video, at the end of the day, if you really just don't like that person, just don't follow them and don't subscribe to them. And that's it. But when you're one of those people that unsubscribe and unfollow and really hate the person, I get that, I respect that. But when you're still sneaking back and going to the page, what does that tell you? Where's your standard? I know right now we're in this world where you want to hop on trains and certain influencers and queens and things that people are lashing out and creating this army because they want to make a point and then do what they need to do, and you want to just hop on that train because your loyal goes to that person. I get that. But does that make you true to yourself? Because if you were true to yourself, where were you before that person spoke up? Think about it. I love you guys, and my channel is a safe place where you can conversate whether you hate me or not, or you can conversate about makeup. This is a safe place because I don't block anything. I keep it real. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's something that I've been wanting to talk about for months now. I think it's time. So I love you, and I think I need to go review RuPaul's Drag Race All Stars. I don't know who's gonna win.